Hey guys, what is going on? I'm here back with another video, and today I have a very interesting article I want to talk about. Now, there was this tweet made by Jack the Rippler, and he had a great sort of perspective on XRP and why October is going to be life changing for Ripple XRP holders. See, there's this article written that goes over many different ways that XRP is going to have positive catalysts. There's going to be mass adoption. The SEC case. There's pretty much an update. Pretty much an entire update on what to expect for the month of October and Ripple overall. So let's begin. Jack the Ripple expressed optimism about October 2024 being a transformative month for holders of Ripple's XRP. He outlined several key factors. So let's look at some of these reasons that XRP could have a bullish month in October. The top analysts listed 5 reasons. Now, the first one, the SEC does not appeal. Now, the SEC has until October 7th to decide whether to appeal a recent ruling in Ripple's favor. Of course, everybody that watches our videos or watches anything on XRP knows that SEC had a case with Ripple that essentially talked about or wanting to list XRP as a security or delist XRP because it was trading as a security. But what happened was the SEC lost that case, and now what we're waiting on is whether or not the SEC appeals that decision. If the SEC chooses not to appeal, it would solidify Ripple's legal standing, allowing the company to move forward with a much lower fine of $125 million compared to the nearly $2 billion that they wanted to take initially from Ripple. Now, the second year, XRP reaches an all-time high. The anticipation surrounding a favorable outcome could trigger a rally, potentially leading XRP price to achieve a new all-time high. Jack emphasized that positive momentum in the market often follows illegal victories, which can boost investor confidence. And that's exactly what happened here. A lot of the exchanges that delisted XRP are now starting to relist XRP, like for example Robinhood and a lot of other major platforms that first completely wanted nothing to do with XRP, but now that they've successfully won the case, a lot of that sentiment is turning around and becoming positive. The next reason was mass adoption begins in the US. With the legal uncertainty resolved, Jack argued that Ripple could experience widespread adoption in the US. Businesses and developers may feel more secure operating under clearer regulations, fostering innovation and use cases on the XRP ledger. This clarity will also attract institutional investors who have been hesitant due to regulatory concerns. Another reason why people are looking at the chart in a much more favorable way is because there's essentially a triangle pattern that's been building up almost nearing the end of that pattern, because there's been so much compression in terms of the price action, where the top of the line of the pattern is pretty much built up by all the different resistances that XRP has hit over the past couple of years, and then the bottom of the triangle has been built up with essentially all the different times we hit it with the support. And so as you can see here with the triangle down here, what happened a couple of years, not even a couple of years ago, it seems like the beginning of XRP is when there was a transcending triangle that was being built because of the support and resistances. What's happened is that it breaks out, and once it breaks out, it just pretty much explodes. Now, this happens almost every 4 years, which is every single bull run. And so that's another point they wanted to show here, is that there's a lot of contention around this, the end of this triangle right here, which is why it's hitting the top. It's more like consolidating, but there's a lot of buy pressure building up here. The next reason was tokenization begins on the XRP ledger. Jack mentioned the potential for tokenization on the XRP ledger, which could introduce multi-purpose tokens, which is MPT. This development would enhance the platform's ability to tokenize a broader range of assets, contributing to its versatility and appeal. Now, the XRP ledger itself is such a useful product and solution, essentially an open source platform or a blockchain where people can, where businesses can come and essentially build products, where problem solvers could come and essentially build solutions for anything that you can imagine on there. They can even start their own token on there if they wanted to. Central banks, and payment providers begin bridging currencies using XRP. A favorable ruling could accelerate the adoption of XRP by central banks and financial institutions for cross-border transactions. Ripple's on-demand liquidity (ODL) service allows for efficient currency conversion, making XRP a viable option for international money transfers. Now, these are just some of the reasons why XRP could do tremendously well in the next coming month, just because there was the mass adoption by banks, the tokenization on XRPL. There's a mass appeal where it comes to cross-border transactions. We're looking to reach all-time high. The SEC positive catalysts that are coming out as well. Just a lot of things pointing in the right direction of a bull run, and essentially that's what we're headed into. It's also going to be Q4, which is a great time for crypto. Usually, when every 4 years when the bull run is here, and there's essentially a lot more volume. It seems like when it comes to the entire market overall with XRP, Bitcoin just hit 65,000, and just the overall market is doing tremendously well over the last couple of weeks, and so October can only hopefully be a much better month. That's all for now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know in the comment section below if you think it's also moving in the same direction, or you think it's going to be a different outcome. Thanks again. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.